Today, in After Effects, we will be learning how to export a simple video or graphic as a transparent background. I made a very basic lower third you would use in a simple documentary or interview style video. One quick note is while the background appears black, it's actually transparent by default. You can use the toggle transparency grid to see there are no solids or images in the background. Now to achieve a transparent video, you must select your timeline, then go to Composition and Add to Render Queue. In the Render Queue, select the Output module. You will change the format to QuickTime and the channels to RGB plus alpha. From there, click OK. Then you will select Output and choose your file name and where you wish to save your render. Then you will render out your file. Another quick tip is if you hit caps lock, it will prevent video playback during your render. This frees up more resources on your computer and helps to render more quickly. Finally, we will test our transparent video in Premiere Pro. As we import and play back, we can see it is completely transparent and ready for production. If you like these type of videos, please like, comment, and subscribe for future content.